Welcome to the bold and striking world of the red-tailed shark.
Scientifically known as Apelsiorhynchos bicolor, the fish originates from Thailand.
The magnificent freshwater fish belongs to the highly popular Cyprinidae family.
The sleek and highly streamlined body perfectly cuts through the flowing river water. A deep velvet black coloration completely covers the entire main body. A bright fiery red tail fin creates an absolutely stunning visual contrast.
The red-tailed shark reaches an impressive maximum size of 15 centimeters.
Notice the tall, prominent dorsal fin standing straight up during active swimming.
Some beautiful specimens display a subtle white tip entirely on the dorsal fin.
The downward-facing mouth is specifically evolved for continuous bottom grazing.
The highly active fish continuously patrols the lowest level of the aquatic environment.
The red-tailed shark demonstrates a semi-aggressive and highly territorial personality.
The strong fish establishes a firm personal territory around favorite hiding spots.
Always keep only one red-tailed shark per tank due to the solitary nature.
Avoid housing the fish with other bottom dwellers to maintain total peace.
Provide a minimum tank volume of 30 gallons or 115 liters.
The energetic swimmer requires immense horizontal space for daily active patrols.
Carefully arranged natural driftwood structures provide excellent necessary hiding places. Dark caves formed by stacked river stones help the fish feel entirely secure.
Dense green vegetation offers perfect shade and highly comfortable resting areas.
Maintain the water temperature steadily between 22 and 26 degrees.
The highly stable tropical water conditions keep the active fish entirely healthy.
The ideal pH level ranges strictly from 6.5 to 7.5.
The fish thoroughly enjoys completely neutral and well-balanced freshwater conditions.
Keep the water hardness level carefully balanced between 10 and 15 kh.
Diluted. The exceptionally hardy species demonstrates a very easy care level for beginners.
The diligent worker searches continuously for natural algae growing on the hardscape.
The omnivorous fish eagerly accepts specialized sinking algae wafers daily.
Small sinking meat pellets provide an excellent and totally balanced daily diet. Frozen bloodworms provide massive protein boosts for maintaining the vibrant red tail.
A perfectly plump and healthy belly indicates outstanding long-term dietary wellness.
The bottom-dwelling fish safely ignores fast-moving mid-water schooling tetras entirely.
Anelones. The striking color combination brings undeniable visual contrast to the planted layout.
Successful captive breeding remains incredibly rare and almost entirely undocumented.
The fish often rests completely motionless inside dark, hollow logs during the day.
The strong swimmer thoroughly enjoys swimming directly into a gentle water flow. Totally clear pectoral fins move rapidly to maintain perfect swimming balance.
The morning lights instantly awaken the entirely energetic daily swimming behavior.
A massive weekly water change keeps the aquatic environment perfectly stable and clean.
A slight gray fade indicates that the pristine water quality is dropping dangerously.
The careful fish completely ignores the delicate leaves of expensive aquatic foreground plants.
The highly cautious fish reacts very quickly to sudden shadows passing overhead. The confident fish always returns quickly to the open central swimming area.
The calm fish interacts entirely peacefully with daily tank maintenance cleaning tools.
Flawless breathing relies heavily on a highly oxygenated and absolutely pristine environment.
The fish explores the deepest corners for entirely undisturbed daytime resting spots.
Color-enhancing LED lighting makes the deep black and bright red visually explode.
The thorough fish occasionally checks crevices in the rock hardscape for hidden food.
The fish avoids extremely bright surface light by swimming safely in the lower zone.
Natural dried Indian almond leaves release beneficial health-boosting tannins safely.
Rapid gill plate movement processes the highly oxygenated water entirely continuously.
The species brings an undeniable level of sophisticated motion to the bottom layout. The species provides a highly engaging entry point into keeping solitary centerpiece fish.
A robust and powerful body profile perfectly indicates excellent and completely balanced daily nutrition.
Dense clusters of bright green stem plants add immense visual depth perfectly.
Longdoors. The species is an exceptionally unique and highly rewarding pet for intermediate keepers.
Notice the highly distinct scale pattern reflecting faintly along the dark armored flank.
Specialized sinking carnivore pellets are caught mid-water with incredible speed and agility. The omnivorous fish eagerly devours highly nutritious pieces of blanched zucchini.
A totally clear anal fin stabilizes the lower body entirely during rapid swimming.
The fish serves as the absolute perfect dynamic centerpiece for large aquarist setups.
The red-tail shark demonstrates exactly why the family is universally loved worldwide.
Behold the highly unique and majestic beauty of the incredible red-tail shark.
A totally black background poster makes the red tail visually explode perfectly.
Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing intermediate fish care guides.
Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community.
Do you own the beautiful and bold red-tail shark? Tell us below.
The red-tail shark is a true 5-star addition to any large biotope. Thank you for exploring the highly elegant and powerful freshwater fish species.
See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure.
Stay highly passionate about the incredible and highly rewarding aquarium keeping hobby.
Keep your water highly oxygenated and your premium fish incredibly happy.
Nature provides the absolute best inspiration for any home aquarium setup. The Aquatic Lie is your ultimate home for everything related to fish keeping.
Always remember to appreciate the unique solitary centerpieces in your beautiful aquarium.
Strict bottom dweller completely respects the space of surface-dwelling fish species.
The aquatic lie. Happy fish keeping.
A clear, distinct eye continuously scans the dark bottom for hidden food particles.
The powerful fish darts rapidly, exactly like a dark shadow across the substrate. The stark color contrast looks exactly like a graphic design element in motion.
The active fish loves swimming directly through small bubble curtains for playtime. A highly robust and healthy muscle structure is built specifically for powerful swimming.
The species coexists perfectly with large, fast-moving barbs, safely and peacefully. The fish carefully investigates newly introduced pieces of fresh, nutritious cucumber.
A tiny glint of light reflects beautifully off the black scales during fast turns.
The fish rests perfectly disguised as a shadow, directly under broad anubias leaves. The strong swimming behavior adds essential bottom movement to tall vertical aquascapes.
Perfectly balanced proportions make the red-tailed shark a highly desirable aquarium species.
Beautifully delicate fin rays strongly support the massive and powerful red tail.
The natural fish completely ignores artificial decorations, preferring real driftwood pieces instead.
The species brings a totally captivating and mesmerizing energy to any intermediate tank.
The highly elegant red-tailed shark is the ultimate final addition to the ecosystem.
The fish shows a natural territorial display by briefly flaring the tall dorsal fin.
The fish thoroughly cleans smooth river rocks of microscopic algae completely efficiently. The almost completely opaque black body lacks any transparency, creating a solid silhouette.
A completely tight-fitting aquarium lid is absolutely demanded to prevent accidental jumping.
The strong swimmer actively exercises by swimming heavily into the canister filter output.
Smooth PVC pipes hidden behind plants provide extreme comfort and necessary security.
Completely flawless health is maintained entirely due to a highly varied and balanced diet.
Bold and solitary fish naturally create the most incredible focal points for aquascapes.